So consider this example. Suppose that in the terminal, I want to install a package called NumPy. So I simply type pip install NumPy. And if I run the code, you can see it has been installed previously. So it says the requirements already satisfied. So now I want to uninstall the NumPy package. So I want to uninstall the NumPy package. So and I press yes. You can see it has been successfully uninstalled. But once again, if I want to install the NumPy package, and if I simply type pip install NumPy, you can see it has used the cache available. So it has used the NumPy package based on the cache available, which is not the thing that I want. So in order to clear the cache in Python, so I can simply type pip, and I want to clear the cache, so I simply type cache, and I simply type purge. Purge means remove, means clear, means delete. So if I press enter, you can see that it has cleared the cache. But once again, if I uninstall the NumPy package, and I should press yes, and once again, if I install the NumPy package, so as you can see, it's downloading the package, and it is not using the cache in order to install the NumPy because we have deleted the cache. Now I really suggest you to watch this video, which is on the screen now.